So dnergy helps B2B customers to reduce CO2 emissions of their buildings, and by doing so, complying with the emerging European and national legislation. And we do that by steering HVAC in smart ways. We have a hybrid way of working. We have people in engineering, in software engineering, working from Spain, for instance. We have people working at the office. We have people working at home. We have our energy managers who visit buildings and who need connectivity when they are there. And so we work completely online. All our tools are online in the cloud. Our own software is in the cloud, obviously, and all the tools we use for doing our work are completely cloud-based. Well, device security is very important to us because we work for customers who are like big asset managers in real estate, and some of our customers are like in the context of insurance, of banking, and so they have heavy security requirements. And so we have a bring your own device policy. People can have a managed device that our service provider would manage. But next to that, we want people to be able to bring their own device. And so it's important to make sure that those devices would still comply with our security policy. Yeah, I've seen quite some organizations in my career so far, and I must say, well, there's a huge range from doing nothing at all, which is obviously not an option, and constraining everything in such a way that you need very heavy onboarding processes to provision a device because you want it to be your device that has been set up by your own people. Obviously, we want to avoid both extremes. XFA is crucial for when we have that many officially unmanaged devices. We need to, first of all, discover what devices our people are using to access dnergy information, to access their mailbox, to access our knowledge management platform. And so this first discovery phase is what we are, of course, applying now, coupled with awareness. By knowing what kind of devices they are using and to what extent they comply with our policy, we can make people aware of possible gaps. And awareness is what you want to do when you want to make people accountable for what they do. And I prefer being able to have a conversation with people about very concrete things, about very concrete behavior, rather than having abstract policies or having things that are enforced and still leave room for unsafe behavior. And so concretely with XFA, it allows us to do that discovery. It allows us to give very precise awareness messages, and then we will move gradually towards enforcing the security policies as we go. Before XFA, we in fact relied on the managed devices and the own provisioning, which led to enforcing people, obliging people to use the laptops or the material, the devices, the smartphones that were delivered by ourselves. And that's what we wanted to, we didn't want to have that constraint. So what I like most about XFA is the lightweight character of the tool. It is like we're literally launched in seconds and start discovering the devices. Another aspect I like a lot is you see that the tool is continuously being improved in really co-creation with customers. I like having talks with the team, learning from them learning from us, And then I see those improvements like very rapidly being integrated in the tool. Yeah, things that I would love to see even further improving in XFA are like tools at the fingertips of me as an administrator to bring awareness messages, like detecting, of course, XFA knows how often certain devices are being used, and then like modulating the type of message you give to users in an automated way. That would be a great time saver.